town in one, well, should I say one piece, in half of a piece. Can you guys believe that I just fell out the bus? Lord help me. Hey loves, good morning. I can't sing. Good afternoon and good night. Hope you guys are having a wonderful and beautiful day. I am having a wonderful day so far. I am all dressed because today I am about to conquer one of my, should I say my biggest fear? I'm about to conquer one of my fears today. No, Tyler, don't do that. You want to say good morning? Come on. Say hello. Say hello. Say good morning. Good morning. Say hello. Say hi. You just want the book? Okay. There you go. Go with it. Go. Get out of the kitchen. Take it. Take it. Go on. Go on. I'll be there in just a minute. Go on. Okay, you guys, so today I'm about to conquer one of my fear. I am going to take the bus on my own for the first time, but babe doesn't have a clue. So what I plan to do, I had it all planned out in my head from last night. So I woke up this morning, I get everything done. I already make sure that I cook him his dinner. I make some shrimp for dinner, as you guys can see. So it's just 2 p.m. but I already make his dinner because the plan is to come back home with him later in the afternoon. So I don't want when he comes home there's no dinner here. So I already make him dinner, and I'm just gonna have some vegetables for me. I'm gonna have some lunch before I head out. So what I plan to do is take the bus to go to town, but I have to take 2 buses, and babe also work in town. There's a Christmas market in town that we want to see for a while now, but I think it's a good opportunity to see it today. Yes, baby, don't trouble the jewels. So I think it's a good opportunity to go and see today. So what I plan to do, I'm going to catch the bus. I'm going to go to town, but I have to take 2 buses. I have to take 1 bus from home. Be careful. I have to take 1 bus from home to the promenade, to the famous street, and then I have to take another bus from the promenade to town to babe work where he works. And I also want to do a little bit of shopping, so it's a good opportunity to go and get some stuff that I want. So yeah, I won't tell him that I am going to take the bus and come to town until I reach to town. I'm going to call him and he's going to freak out. He's not going to believe me that I am in town. So yeah, I am about to go and take the bus all by myself. I know I can do it. He always tell me that you can do it. I don't know what you're afraid of. Take the bus all by yourself. I have my bus card and everything, but I never take the bus by myself. It's always me and him, or we drive. But today is the day, okay? I am going to take the bus by myself, and I'm going to town, and I'm gonna get some stuff done and get it over. So wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. So I'm gonna have some lunch, and then I want to leave here by 3 o'clock, but I'm already all dressed because I'm going to eat. Which should take me like 30 minutes, and then get Tyler dressed, and we should be well on our way. So let's go. officially taking the bus for the first time. I did my first bus and I'm down by the famous street. I'm just by the beach right now, and then I'm gonna head off across the road and try to catch my second bus to head to town. But because I'm alone with Tyler, I need to pay very close attention, so I'm not gonna vlog while I'm walking, so I'll catch you guys while I'm there. You guys, this is so funny, I have to laugh. But I finally made it to town in one, well, should I say one piece, in half of a piece. But I finally made it. See, I made my way. I can take the bus all by myself. Can you guys believe that I just fell out the bus? Lord help me. I have no luck with bus. I was coming out the bus with the stroller, and the stroller just went right and I just went left. Oh my god, I can't believe what just happened. But anyway, I just called hubby and surprised him and tell you that you guys, he would be excited that I made it to town all by myself. So I'm just gonna hang around, do some shopping, and then I'm gonna meet him up so we can go to the Christmas market when it gets a little bit dark. So I'll catch you guys in a bit. And we are in the Christmas village, and it is so beautiful, you guys. It is, who doesn't love Christmas? The best time of year. All the lighting and everything is such a beautiful thing to see. And this big wheel up here behind me, you can go in it and you'll see the entire city. But ain't nobody got time for that right now because I'm hungry. You know I'm always hungry. So I'm about to either go get some food or go home. But we're gonna just hang around a bit and see what's going on. You're wide awake. So we're getting crepe and churros. You guys, this is yummy. Once you're in France, that's a sweet treat you have to have. Crepe and churros. Can't come to France and not have crepe and churros. Papa getting us food. Getting food and food. Yeah, food and food. Yeah. Food. Crepe check. I already had to bite it. I can't wait on babe. This little long thing in my hand, that is called churros. Show them, babe. Show them. He's too busy eating, baby. Look in the bag. Let me show the bag. Oh my god, that's pure sugar. If you're on a diet, don't even think about it. But who cares about diet when you see these things? You want a Christmas hat? loves. Hey guys, can you tell? Tired.
Ty like Tyler.
I am so tired. We are back home, and I put Tyler straight to bed because he fell asleep while on the bus. So, well, it's his sleep time, anyways.
Yes, what time?
It's just in time for his sleep time.
After 8 p.m. Tired, just want to eat because didn't eat yet. Well, we had some churros.
Hungry. We'll have five of the churros, and we have more churros that I'm going to finish in a bit.
Right.
Can't let my churros waste.
So we're just gonna eat and relax, watching TV.
Yeah.
Tomorrow's gonna be our anniversary, so I don't know what we're gonna do. Well, I know what we're gonna do. I have an idea about what we're gonna do, but she doesn't know it.
Alright, you guys, I'm just gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna get dinner ready and just relax for the rest of the afternoon. So we're gonna watch movie. We are watching Homeland. It's very interesting and I'm into it. So it's fun catching up with Homeland every evening with babe, just cuddling and having movie time. We enjoy watching movies. So yeah, we gonna stop rambling now. So don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if it's your first time, well, if your second time coming back to our channel and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. And thank you guys for always coming back, and we appreciate all of you guys. We love you guys, and we talk to you guys tomorrow.